Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this absolutely gorgeous 2022 Dodge Ram Sport. Power for this Ram comes from a 5.7 liter 8-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. From the side, we've got a lifted suspension, upgraded off-road tires on custom rims, as well as tinted privacy glass and side wind deflectors, color-matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving around to the front, we've got our 1500 badging, as well as our color-matched and blacked-out grille and fog lights. Inside, we have some amazing features too, so let's hop right in and take a look at what the interior has to offer. So jumping inside, we have a whole ton of cool features. Let's start over here on the door panel. We've got our power locks windows and power folding mirrors. Or if we zoom in here, we've got our power adjustable pedals, as well as our electronic parking brake and our light controls. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we're going to find controls for different info you can access up on the dash, as well as your audio and your hands-free Bluetooth calling. And over here on the right, we have our cruise control. And then right up here, you can scroll through and get all of the information you need. Moving on over, right down here, we've got our push button start and our gear shifter, as well as our 4-wheel drive. And then we've got this beautiful, nice big touchscreen right here with a full navigation system, AM, FM stereo, satellite radio, Bluetooth. If we want to go into our climate control, we're going to click on comfort here, and then it's got all of your options, including your dual zone electronic climate control with heated seats, heated steering wheel, and air conditioning. And then you can scroll through and get all of the different information that you need right there. Moving down, we've got our trailer controls and our front and rear park aids and our USB and auxiliary power inputs. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back. Moving around back, if we look up, we're going to find our rear-mounted shark fin antenna, as well as our sliding rear window. And back here, we also have our chrome-tip dual exhaust with our Ram Sport and 4x4 badging. We do have our trailer hitch down there and the electrical for your brakes right above. And right under the backup camera here, you can hit the button and let the tailgate drop. It does have a dampener, so it won't slam open on you. And we've got our bed in really good condition with some cargo tie-downs. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2022 Dodge Ram Sport 4x4 with me. If you would like to come see it, come visit us at 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs for this pickup and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.